I wanna demonstrate you how to make the shake effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, you go to Effects and write Transform. Drag the transform function on the frame. Scroll down. By the skew, put 4. Move the frame where you wanna start your effect. Switch the skew axis on. And then move your time frame to the point where you want that your effect finish. In the skew axis, increase it to 2/3000, for example, to get this type of the effect. Let's see the result. Cool. Let's grow together. Put your like and subscribe.